In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a question in Metabase. We'll cover both the friendly query builder and the native SQL editor, so you can pick the workflow that suits you. Start by opening your browser and searching for Metabase, then click the official result. On the landing page, choose Login to access your workspace. Once you're in, look to the top right and click the plus new button to begin a new question. At this point, you have two main options. Question, also called the query builder, is ideal when you want to explore data without code. SQL Query, the native editor, is designed for advanced analysis where you need full control. If you choose the query builder, begin by selecting your data. Pick the database, then the table, model, or even a previously saved question you want to build from. Add filters to narrow the results. For example, set created at to last 12 months to focus on recent activity. Relative date filters like this update automatically as time passes. Next, summarize your data. Choose a metric such as count of rows, sum of total, or average, and optionally group by a dimension like product category or month. Grouping converts raw rows into useful breakdowns, revealing trends and comparisons at a glance. When you're ready, click Visualize to preview the results. Try chart types like bar or line, and customize axis labels so the chart communicates clearly. If you opt for SQL Query, type your SQL directly into the editor and use the schema browser to confirm field names. Run the query with the Run button, or press CMD plus Enter on Mac OS or Control plus Enter on Windows to preview. To add interactivity, include variables with double curly braces, like variable name. Metabase will create filter widgets above the results so viewers can change inputs without touching the SQL. Once you're happy with the results, click Save in the top right. Give your question a clear name and a helpful description so teammates can find it and understand how it was built. That's it. Your question is ready to explore, share, and add to dashboards. By following these steps, you learned how to log in, start a new question, build it with either the query builder or SQL, refine it with filters and summaries, choose a visualization, and save your work. Pause the video as needed and take a moment to experiment. Small tweaks often surface the best insights.